Welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Dropouts. In this video, you will learn how to add Twitter account on your LinkedIn account. You can add Twitter account on your LinkedIn account from the Twitter settings page within settings. To add Twitter account with your LinkedIn account from the settings and privacy page, click the Me icon at the top of your LinkedIn home page. Select settings and privacy from the drop-down. Settings page will get open. Account preference is already selected under settings section present on left side of the page. Select Twitter settings present under partners and services. Twitter settings page will get open. Click on add a Twitter account button. Password pop-up gets open. Enter the password of currently logged in account and click submit button. Once you do so, authorize LinkedIn to access your account. Page gets open and enter the username or email in username or email edit field. Enter password on password edit field, and then click on Authorize App button. Once you do so, your Twitter account will be added to your LinkedIn account. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos.